Hi there. If you are into the construction business in Nigeria or any part of the world, you will agree with me that the weather does not joke around. From scorching heat to heavy rainfalls, which can seriously wear down your equipment. So, here are 5 tips to help you maintain your equipment and keep them running all year long. Tip 1. Regular cleaning. After a long day on site, dirt, moisture and mud can build up quickly, especially during the rainy season. Therefore, it is important to clean your equipment daily in order to avoid rust, clogging and long-term damage. Tip 2. Monitor fluids constantly. Nigeria's heat can cause oil and coolant to break down faster. Always check engine oil, hydraulic fluids and coolant levels before use. Low or dirty fluids can destroy your engine quickly. Tip 3. Protect your battery. Extreme heat can affect battery life. Therefore, it is important to store them in shady areas where necessary. Also, check them regularly for corrosion and loose terminals. Tip 4. Use weather-appropriate covers. Rain, dust, sun, your equipment needs proper shelter. Invest in heavy-duty taps or build shaded storage areas to protect your machines when they are not in use. Tip 5. Follow a maintenance schedule. Don't wait till something breaks. Adhere strictly to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. So, there you have it. 5 tips to protect your investment and keep your construction machinery running in any climate whatsoever. And of course, if you need any of these construction machinery, call us. Also, to get more tips, subscribe, follow and like. Thank you.